Hi, kids. Today, you will learn about the seaside. The beachside is where we go to play, relax, and enjoy the sun by the water. Let's learn about some fun things you might find at the beachside. Cliff. C-L-I-F-F, cliff. Buoy. B-U-O-Y, buoy. Lifeguard. L-I-F-E-G-U-A-R-D, lifeguard. Boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Picnic basket. P-I-C-N-I-C-B-A-S-K-E-T, picnic basket. Beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Sandcastle. S-A-N-D-C-A-S-T-L-E, sandcastle. Beach chair. B-E-A-C-H-C-H-A-I-R, beach chair. Beach ball. B-E-A-C-H-B-A-L-L, beach ball. Trowel. T-R-O-W-E-L, trowel. Island. I-S-L-A-N-D, island. Sail. S-A-I-L, sail. Bucket. B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket. Kite. K-I-T-E, kite. Rubber tube. R-U-B-B-E-R-T-U-B-E, rubber tube. The beachside is a perfect place for fun in the sun. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.